Hello. This is Els coming in from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I'm going to be answering a question that I had in another video. Somebody asked me how I clean my stamps, how I make my stamp cleaner. So we're going to talk about that today, and I've got two ways I'm going to show you, and one way you should never ever do, okay? So let's start with what you shouldn't do. This is alcohol. These are alcohol prep pads. It's only 70% isopropyl alcohol, but I have seen people take alcohol like in a spray bottle and spray it and then wipe it off, or even use like their baby wipes to clean these. And the thing with that is there's alcohol in baby wipes, okay? And I know, that they say that they're clean and clear and all that other stuff, but if you read them, you're going to find that most of these that we buy have some form of alcohol or acetate in them, and that will destroy your stamps. So it's a no good. Don't do that, all right? So no alcohol preps. I mean, if you absolutely have to, like, that's all you've got at the moment, whatever, yes, but try not to use that on your polymer stamps, on your clear ones, because this will eat that, okay? So let's take a look at probably the easiest way of doing this, and that is this. This is from the 99-cent store, and it is called a cellulose cloth, and when it's dry, it looks like this. When it's wet, it looks like this. So you can see it got a little bit larger and it's more pliable. Now there's a stamp company out there that's actually selling this exact same size piece for like 10-12 bucks for a stamp cleaner. Ridiculous. All you need is one of these. There's a 3-pack for 99 cents. They're the UFO brand cellulose cloths, and a Ziploc bag. If you do a lot of stamping. If you don't, then let it dry. Rinse it out, let it dry. And next time, just get it wet and use it again. So, if you are going to be somebody who stamps a lot, you might want to keep this in a plastic bag. And just press the air out and seal the bag. And that will keep it pretty fresh. So let's take a look at how well it cleans. So I have a Hampton Art pigment stamp pad here, and I'm just gonna ink the stamp up. Now the dirt was on the stamp to begin with, so we're not worried about that, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this here. So we have an image, not the greatest image, but this is just for giggles. And I'm gonna get out my sponge real quick, okay? I'm just gonna take my stamp, and I'm just gonna wash it off there. I'm going to let it air dry, and then we're going to test it on the other side of this paper to see if it got all the ink off. Dry. Okay. And then we're going to give it a stamp. And we're going to see there's no ink. So this successfully cleans off your stamp. And it's inexpensive, 33 cents. Who'd thunk? So let's go ahead. All right. So now somebody asked me for the recipe for this stamp cleaner, which is my stamp cleaner that I make at home. And it only has 3 ingredients in it, all right? Warm water. I use warm water when I first set it up. Doesn't matter if it's cold later, but when I first set it up, I use warm water to help kind of emulsify the ingredients. So water almost to the top. Big expense here, guys. A bottle of baby shampoo from the dollar store. Doesn't matter, where you get it from. You can get it from Walmart, the grocery store, the dollar store, whatever. It's the same thing. The thing is that there's no alcohol in here, and there's nothing that's going to dry anything out because this is baby shampoo, So that's what I use. And this is something fabulous. It's glycerin from the soap aisle in any craft store. Okay. Again, it has no alcohol in it, okay? So I put like 2-3 drops of baby shampoo and a drop or two of glycerin into this bottle. This is like a 4-ounce bottle. And that's how I make my stamp cleaner. So let's see how it works. So ink on stamp, stamp something. Done stamping something, still have ink on stamp. Need to get ink off of stamp. Now, a couple of things I could do. I could just spray this right on here and wipe it off with a towel if I wanted to. I could spray some cleaner on my sponge and clean that off if I want to. Or I can grab this. This is the furniture slides, you know, that you buy at the dollar store. It's like carpet. And I just spray a little cleaner on it. Take my stamp. Clean it off. I'm going to let it air dry. Okay. I had a piece of glitter on there. There was glitter and I had glitter. I had to get the glitter. Okay. So I'm going to let this dry. And then once it's air dried, it'll be perfectly clean. So let's go ahead and do a test stamp. No marks. Clean stamp. Okay. So that is, that's the way that I clean my stamps. That is the recipe for my stamp cleaner. Just 2 or 3 drops of baby shampoo and about a drop of glycerin into 4 ounces of warm water. Shake it up to emulsify. Done. Even easier, go down to your dollar store, pick up a pack of these cellulose cloths. Okay? Get it wet. Like I said, you can put cleaner on it if you want to. Clean your stamps off. Doesn't matter. Keep it in a Ziploc bag. Let it dry out if you're not going to be somebody who stamps all the time, and just get it wet when you stamp. And then let it air dry. Avoid mold, okay? So that's it, guys. That's how I do it. Listen, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions. I will be more than happy to answer them. Let's see, what else? That's it. If you're new here, hey, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all of your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. Before you know it, we have a community. Until I see you again, please stay safe. Bye-bye.